We'll guide you through how to fix missing contacts on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is annoying as you're then unable to go and access and use them. To get started, go and swipe up like so and open up your settings. Now you need to go and scroll down and find the option for Google and click there. In Google, you need to press all services and scroll down. Find the option for Google Contact Sync and click there. What you need to do is go and make sure it's switched on, and you can also go and do a sync there to go and make sure it's up to date. Now go and see if that solves the problem. You can open up your contacts and make sure you're looking at the correct contacts. We can press the lines over to the left, then choose where we're looking at them at the top, and you can go and choose Google. You can even press all contacts as well, and you can see them all. Go and see if that solves the problem. If you find that they're missing in a certain app, go back to your settings, find the option Security and Privacy and tap there, and then you can scroll down and find Permission Manager. You can go and select contacts and make sure the app they're missing from has access. So you can scroll down and go and find the app, and you can then go and allow it. Hopefully that solves the problem.